Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will be making beef stroganoff, but not really. It's pretty much steak with mushroom sauce. Anyway, here are the ingredients. I don't like cooking the beef in the sauce. I feel like it becomes too tough, and I like my meat tender and I like it rare. So I cook the beef as a whole steak first and then I finish it with the sauce. Now, before you begin, take your steaks out of the fridge and rest them at room temperature for 30 minutes.
He's good. Look at him go. He's fast. Wow, he's fast. Put one on the board for goldfish.
Dice the onions and the mushroom, then oil the steaks and season generously. Pan on a high heat and your steaks should make this sound. If they don't make this sound, then you've committed steak treason and the cows will find you. Go in with a knob of butter, some fresh rosemary if you have it, and a few garlic cloves. Cook the steak for about 1.5 minutes, 2 max on each side. You want to get a nice colour on the steaks without overcooking them. Baste your steaks with that garlic and rosemary butter, ensuring that you've achieved maximum flavour. Then rest your steaks for around 10 minutes. If you cut straight into them, they'll bleed all over the place and release all their juices. Perfect time to start making the sauce. Into the same pan you cook the steaks on, don't wash it. Throw in some butter and sweat down your onions. Season, then in with the mushrooms, followed by the mustard and the Worcestershire sauce. Well pronounced, Liam. Next, brandy, set it alight and cook out the alcohol. After you've burnt your kitchen down, pour in the wine and again cook out the alcohol. Finish the sauce with double cream and then season to taste. Finish the dish by slicing the steak and pouring your delicious sauce on top. Enjoy and thank you so much for watching.